to accept the kick. Chris Jones, and he's going to run with it, and he has a ton of room. And Chris Jones, he's done this before, out at the 48-yard line.
Cover on the outside. That time they saw the loop coming around and just take off. And for the Dallas Cowboys, this is a must-have-it game. And that is some call there by Jason Garrett.
On a 1st and 20. Fired, caught, 32-yard line. Bryant finally makes a catch and should have a first down.
Hunter, really exciting things happen for the Cowboys.
2nd and 1. And now Prescott fakes it, keeps it, first down, and inside the 10 he goes. Final minute of the quarter. Great protection, great coverage. Prescott's going to take off, and he goes for a Dallas touchdown. Well, the secondary couldn't do better work than that, but he's able to dance around, finds the opening, and he goes. Fake punt by Chris Jones.
Watch this protection, Al. Anytime Dak Prescott gets a chance against a 4-man rush to stand there for 4-5 seconds, there's just no way. When there's a 4-man rush, there are 2 gaps in that defensive line that are wide open. A 5-man rush, always one. And when you have a mobile quarterback and he's just standing back there.